Hello friends, welcome to my class. So in the last lecture we have studied about earthquake load. Today I am going to tell you about the simple load, member load at some distance, okay, in a beam, in a single beam, and also the concept of foundation and some of the important commands. So let's start. So open Staad Pro, go to new project. Now give a new name 606. Now click on next, finish. Now go to geometry, select nodes. First of all, here I will draw a single beam, okay. So now add here 10, enter 15, enter 20, enter. Okay, now escape and go to geometry, add beam, and go to geometry, add beam from point to point. Now click on the first node, second node, third node. Okay, escape. Okay, now first of all define it. You will define it as a rectangle. Okay, point 2, point 3. Click on add. Now assign to. Okay, now go to support, create fixed support. I am creating here a pin support also. Okay, so first of all give the fixed support to the first node, sign it. Now pin support the second node, select the nodes. Okay, go to isometric view. Now go to loads and definitions, load cases and details. Okay, now add, click on add, dead loads, assign load case 1, live load, assign lab case 2. Okay, now go to load case 1, add first of all for dead load, add self weight and a member loads. So here member load I am going to tell you, I am taking minus 4 km per meter. As you can see here D1, D2 and D3. So I am taking a distance of first. Okay, the first time distance I am taking here as 4. Okay, now click on add. Only we will assign a D1. Okay, now go to load case 2. Now add here, first of all add nodal loads. Here I am taking minus 4. Simply add this. Go to member load, and member load I am taking here this minus 2. Now click on D1. Here I am selecting D1 distance at 3. Okay, now first of all assign the self weight. So we assign to view. Now the member load for dead load. Okay, so I am selecting this beam. Okay, and for the D1, okay, so for the distance is 4 meter from the negative direction. Okay, so it will be from here. Okay, from the positive direction. So from the positive direction it is here only. Okay, so it is for the 4 meter only. Okay, now similarly nodal loads, select first nodes, click on nodes, secret nodes. Nodal load has been assigned, so the point load has been assigned. Now go to member load first. Okay, so select the beam second here. Now assign this beam member loads. So you can see that these loads have been assigned like this. Okay, in this only project, in this lecture I will show another concept, concept of foundation. Go to new project. Okay, save this. Okay, selecting is here 604. Okay, next, sorry, click on new project, select here 609. Now next. Okay, now go to geometry, then run structure wizard. Okay, Now click on frame model. I'm taking here at an example. I will show you the concept of the foundation. Okay, so take a bay frame. Okay, here select the bay frame, select 10, then 10, 10, here 3, 3 and 3. Okay, apply. Now transfer this model. Now select, first of all select this node. Okay, sorry, select the node. Okay, delete this node, so extra nodes. Okay, now first of all go to top view. Sorry, top view, you can see that. Now from here delete this. Okay, you have to delete these beams. Okay, you have to select only this portion, only rows and column portion. Okay, delete this. Okay, select this one also. Delete, click on delete. Okay, now go to this option. Okay, now you can see that only the rows and columns have been. Okay, now select geometry, select all geometry, and go to transactional repeat. Okay, now number of steps I am selecting here at 6. Okay, and default step spacing I am selecting here 3, length is 3. Okay, now for y-axis link steps. Okay, now you can see here building has been created, you can see now. Okay, now assign this, first of all assign this building. Okay, so this I'm going to tell you these commands. Okay, so here what is I have done is transactional repeat and circular repeat. What is this type commands? Okay, these are as you have seen in the AutoCAD also, these are array. Okay, transactional repeat is for rectangular type of arrays. Okay, so that it can form a number of steps same as it is, and we can make any number of steps as we want. Okay, and same is for circular repeat. Circular repeat is a polar array. Okay, so in a circular manner, in a circular path. Okay, so repeat will be in a circular path. Okay, array will be in the circular path. Okay, that's clear now. Now go to general, we'll define it first of all. Now I'm assuming here defining it as rectangle. Okay, define is 0.2, 0.3. Okay, click on add. Now assign to view. Now you can see that the whole material has been assigned. Okay, now the assign to the whole structure. Okay, now go to supports. Now create a fixed support. Now okay, select only bottom nodes, assign them to the selected nodes. Okay, as you can see the material has also been assigned and supports have also been assigned. Now you have to go to the bottom view. Okay, now you can click here. Okay, now click here in the bottom view, click on the structure diagrams, and then click on the okay, so now here we have to see what, here we have to see the section outline. Click on section outline. Okay, so apply this. Okay, so now the section outline is, you can see that this type of structure, it shows that it is a foundation. Now before it was showing a simple line. Okay, simple line plan, but now it shows a plan of the foundation plan. Okay, due to the section outline. So this was the concept of foundation, and that's all for today. And if you like my video, and do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have early comments, then comment on the comment box. Please stay tuned, guys. Thank you, guys.